I'm Robert Estrin, and you're watching LivingPianos.com with a Mason Hamlin baby grand. Can you believe the sound of this instrument at only 5'4" What a robust sound. Big fat bass that you don't expect out of a piano of this size, and a gorgeous walnut satin finish. The piano is all original from 1962, and it's what some people would describe as a time traveler, because you can't believe this piano it came from that long ago, because everything is absolutely beautiful from the furniture to the insides. And wait till you hear the sound. I'm going to play three selections for you. I'm going to start off with the complete A-flat waltz of Chopin for you to enjoy. If you've watched my videos before of Mason Hamlin pianos, you know that there are many unique technologies at this great American company still producing pianos outside of Boston. And these technologies are what enable a baby grand like this to have such a big, rich sound. This piano has had so little play, the action is fresh, and in the regulation and voicing, it was almost like working on a new piano. And to demonstrate the fluidity of the action, how about some Mozart? This is the beginning of his K332 F major sonata for you. That's just the exposition of this wonderful sonata. Not too heavy of an action, rich sound, and what's great about this piano, as in other great Mason and Hamlins, is the sheer energy that you can use on this instrument and getting such a big, rich sound, never a harsh sound. I'm going to play the opening of the third ballade of Chopin, his A-flat ballade, which has a lot of range in it for you. A really rewarding piano to play. And you know, I get to play on 9-foot concert grands and 7-foot pianos all the time. And of course, there's a richness to the sound that you expect out of a larger piano. That's why it's such a pleasant surprise when you sit down on a great Mason and Hamlin like this Model B, and everything just sounds rich, and you can use the kind of energy that you would on a much larger piano and still get a very rewarding sound. And you know, for every piano like this from the 1960s, even the 1970s, there are dozens that sadly aren't even worth restoring. If you don't have the real integrity of the instrument, you could do a lot of work and never have the kind of results you just heard. I'm interested in your opinion of this piano, and bring all your piano questions right to me, Robert at livingpianos.com, your online piano resource.